Alright, and then I'm just going to go ahead and take off that little bit of insulation. I don't know if you saw that, I just shorted and killed this battery. Now I gotta take it all apart before it explodes. You see that? It's actually coming out. That's unfortunate. I believe that's the lithium leaking. And that's just simply because I was cutting this wire, which is the positive, and I touched the case, which is negative. So that has to come out as soon as possible. Ooh, that just got hot. Alright, so now it's disconnected from all the other batteries. I'll have to shimmy it out, pop it out, put a new battery in that's going to be within range, 2260-ish, and then we'll get right back to it. So I will be right back.